Very good morning to everyone. In this lecture, CS 8601 mobile computing. Today, we are going to talk about the topic wireless datagram protocols, WDP protocols. So here we are go to straightly the discuss the architecture of WDP. The WDP protocols operate about the data cable bearing service supported by multi-network types. The wireless datagram protocol offers a consistent service to the upper protocol, that is a security, transaction and service sessions. In these wireless application protocols and communicate the transparent over one of the available bearer service. So the architecture for the wireless datagram protocol, there are the different layers. That is it's a top layer of the application service access point and application layer protocols, session service access point and session layer protocols, transaction service access point, that is wireless transaction protocols, and the security service access point, that is a wireless transport layer system. So that is a security management entity. We have to manage the user defined application in the mobile node and also the base station node in these protocols, particularly in RFP communication network. Now we can see this architecture of wireless datagram protocols. So now we can move to the continuation of wireless datagram protocol functional architecture diagram. Uh, in this offers a consistent service at the transport service access point to the upper layer protocol of wireless application protocol. This is the constantly of service allowed for application to operate the transparent over the different applications bearer service. Varying the height of the each of the bearer services illustrate the difference in functions provided by the barrier, and such the difference in the wireless datagram protocol necessary to operate over those barriers to maintain the same services offers at a transport service access point is accomplished by a barrier adaptation. So the wireless datagram protocol can be mapped onto the different barrier with different characteristics in order to optimize the protocol with respect to memory usage and radio transmissions efficiency. The protocol performs over each barrier may vary the wireless datagram protocol services and service primitivities which remains the same, providing the constant interfacing to the higher layer. So the wireless datagram layer operate above the data cable bearer service supported by the various network type. As a general datagram, the service, the wireless datagram protocol offers a consistent service to the upper layer protocol, security, transaction, and also session. The communicate transparently over one of the available bearer services. So the datagram protocol, it supports several simultaneously communicate instance from a higher layer over a single underlying datagram protocol services. The port number identify the higher entity about the wireless datagram protocol. This the protocol number identify the higher layer. This may be another protocol layer such as wireless transaction protocol or to the wireless session protocol or an application such as electronic mail. By reusing the elements of the underlying barrier, the wireless datagram protocol can be implemented to support multi-barrier and yet optimized for efficient operation with the limited resources of the mobile device. So we can see the protocol architecture of WAP protocol architecture and how the datagram protocol fit into these architectures. So the mobile and the mobile server, it is connecting the way of data gateway in the bearer and tunneling the subnetworks. So we can adaptation the WDP in the terminal of the mobile host and then server host to communicate with the application environmental to the session protocol and then server proxy service protocols. Now the shape of area or the layer of protocol, which is the wireless datagram protocol, specify the physically applicable. It is a mobile of WDP protocol consists of the common wireless datagram protocol element shown in the same layer. That is a same layer WDP. The adaptation layer is the layer of the WDP protocol that map the WDP protocol functions directly onto a specific bearer. The adaptation layer is different for each barrier and deals with the specific capabilities and characteristics of that barrier service. So the barrier layer is a barrier service such as GSM, SMS, or USD or ANSI data or the CDMA packet data at the gateway. The adaptation layer terminates and passes the wireless datagram protocol onto a wireless application protocol. It server wise a tunneling protocols which is the interface between the gateway that support the bearer service on the wireless application protocol proxy and services. The applications of every bearer where GSM, GPRS gateway, they would you like to support a support protocol like a tunneling the protocol to interface the other systems. Now, what are the management entity in the wireless datagram protocols? The management entity is used as an interface between the WDP layer and the environmental of the device. So, the datagram protocol management entity provide information to the wireless datagram protocol layer about to change in the device environment, which may impact the correct operation of the datagram protocol. The wireless datagram protocol is designed around the assumption that the operation environmental is capable of the transmitting and receiving the data. For example, this assumption including the following basic capabilities that must provide by the mobile. The mobile is within the coverage area applicable to the barrier service being the invoked. The mobile having the sufficient power and power budget and sufficient resources within the mobile are available to the WDP. So the WDP protocol is correctly configured and the user is willing to receive or transmit the data, and the management entity would monitor the state of the above services and the capabilities of the mobile environmental and would notify the datagram protocol like layer if one or more assumed service were not available. So the processing errors in of WDP datagram protocol, the processing errors can happen when the datagram protocol are sent from a wireless datagram protocol provided to another. For example, a wireless data gateway may not be able to send the datagram to the WAP gateway or is not applicable. Listen to the destination point or port, and the receiver might be not reach the buffer space to the receiver a large messages. A wireless control message protocol and efficient error in handling the mechanism for the WDP, and receive the might not hedge the buffer space is to receive the large number of spaces. The wireless control message protocol provide an efficient error controlling or error handling mechanism. So you can understand the whatever you can be made in the layer. So the wireless control message protocol provide an efficient error controlling mechanism of the datagram, resulting in improving the performance for WAP protocols and applications. Therefore, the WCMP protocol should be implemented. See the specifications. The WD expected not to pass up corrupted messages. If a particular barrier does not provide these services, then the WDP barrier adaptation must provide them payload protections. Now the protocol adaptation layer segment and reuse assembly when introducing a new barrier services, and it considered should be given a potential inclusion of the segment and reusable functionalities in the adaptation layer of the barrier service. So the following criteria should be considered when evaluating the need for the sophisticated function of the new barrier channels. The sessions establishment message can be up to 1500 byte in size, and the barrier service has maximum transfer unit. If the applications typically payload exceed the barrier multiple units support protocols, it includes the new barrier service specifications. Somewhere when the SCR is defined for barrier, the barrier server must be able to learn or to recover the segment messages. It is not able to receive the retransmission them assembly retransmission and reassemble them. Thank you for watching this video.